Hi, beautiful people. It's another edition of your everyday web and software tips. Now, are you a local business or an entrepreneur and you need a logo for your business but can't afford to pay a professional graphic designer to get one done for you? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I used Canva to design this logo that you see on your screens. Now, this logo is for a local bakery store, and I'm going to take you through a step-by-step approach about how I used Canva to design this logo. So without wasting time, why don't we begin? Now head over to your browser and type in canva.com. Now when you open, if you've already not signed up for an account, you can easily do this by creating an account on Canva. Now once your account is created, this is the dashboard that you are presented with when you open the page. Now what we want to do is design a logo. So you need to go here and type logo. So once you type logo, you see a number of search results here. Now click on this one that says logo 500 by 500 pixels. So just click on that and it will open up a number of logo templates for you that you can work with. Now to find the industry that you want to design the logo for, you can see at the top right hand side over here that they have different industries in here that you can select from, which will make designing the logo very easy for you. So some of the options in there are hospital, doctor, church, event, gaming. So you can just take your time to go through, and whatever industry that you are designing the logo for, you can select that industry at the top here, and it will make your work process or designing your logo very easy for you or very quick. Now for this tutorial, I want us to choose the create a blank logo option, and then we'll take it from there. So it's opened another window for us here, and we want to design a logo for a bakery. So let's just type in the search bar bakery and see what it comes up with. So it gives us some options or some templates that we can also work with over here. Let's take our time to go through, and we can easily pick one that can suit what we want to do. So for this, I think I'll go with this option here. So let's just select that option. So this is a template I can actually modify and change so that it will suit the kind of logo that I'm looking for. Let's head back to our original logo and see how that one looks like. So again, this is what we want to design. Abbey pastries. We have an icon of bread, a hot bread icon here, and then beneath it says fresh bakery. So let's go back. Okay, so let's delete all the the sections that we will not need for our design. Okay, just select them and hit on the delete key, and they'll be deleted. Let's just delete this right and go. Let's delete this bar, delete that, and leave fresh bakery and the write up in here. Let's delete these options to these icons as well. Now we are almost getting close to this design. So going back, let's change the text to say Abbey pastries, and let's reduce the font and bring the fresh bakery a little closer to the Abbey pastries. We can also change the color here. Click on the color option, select this color here. Now what we are missing is our icon. So let's go back in the search bar again, and we want an icon of a hot baked bread. So I've typed in here bread, and let's see if we can get an icon to use. Now make sure you are at elements before you type the bird in the search bar. Now we want graphics, so head over to graphics, and it will give us a few options that we can work with. Let's see if we find the icon that we are looking for. So we are scanning through now to see if we can find the bird icon that we want to use. Perfect. So this is it here. Let's click on it, reduce the size, bring it a little closer, and now go to the color option and change it to a dark brown color here, and just try to reposition it a little. And we are almost done with our logo, so we can increase or zoom in a little to see how it looks like. Now going back to our original design, as you can see, we are almost done with designing the logo. Now if you want to have different options in terms of the colors, you can hit on the duplicate page here, and we can change this to white. And then change the text also to white, because we'll be using a dark background for this page. So we hit on the page, go to color, and then hit on the dark brown color. So we are almost done with our design. So it says Abbey Pastries Fresh Bakery. So you can go ahead and change the sizes of the text if you want to, or you can maintain the size and maybe reduce the size of the icon as well, or let's just maintain the original sizes of the elements in there. So this is what we have as the final design. Let's move this, make this a little smaller, make sure it's in the middle. Now once we are done with this design, now we can actually go ahead and download it. So to download our final design, just move up here to the share button, click on share, go down and click on download. Now you have the option to download it as a JPEG, PNG, a standard PDF, or any other format that you want. Now some of the formats come with a premium account, so you can go ahead and go for the PNG, which is for the free account. Now if you want to download a bigger version of your logo, that also comes with a premium, it's a premium feature. Now make sure you the transparent background also comes with a premium. So if you want to get a transparent background of this, then you have to go with a premium account. But once you are okay with everything, you can hit on the download button and your logo will start downloading for you. So there you have it, guys. This is a very simple and free way you can use Canva to design a logo for your business. I also have a video here that shows you how you can use Canva to design YouTube thumbnails for a YouTube channel. So you can also check that one out up here. Thank you very much for being part of this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like the video, so we'll help the algorithm push this video to more people. And you can also hit the notification bell, because every Friday I'll make a new video about web and tech tutorials. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you